Hey everybody, Jeff G. Holt, V-Twin Visionary, and I'm here today with yet another swing arm from Brock's. Brock's Performance and Brock's V-Twin have been making super cool stuff for street bikes and Harleys for quite some time now. They're kind of becoming veterans in the game, so to speak, with their carbon wheels that they do and a bunch of their sport bike fork conversions for Harleys. But the swing arm is definitely a cornerstone of their business. This one is a West Coast bagger swing arm. What it is, it's designed to allow more drop for 14 plus length shocks. It's made out of aluminum, made in Ohio. The quality of these, they are aero straight, every one that we've gotten. Geez, I've probably put 3 or 4 of these on bikes now. Really good stuff. Quality is second to none, as you can tell. They're available in this machine finish and black, Dyna FXR bagger, and we put these on the Project M8 FXR that we did with great success. So we're actually putting this on a 2020 Road King cop bike real soon. So